Most people think healing means that God takes away the pain immediately, but that's not what He promises. In Psalm 23, it says, even though I walk through the valley, you are with me. And notice that it doesn't say you won't walk through the valley, but it says you won't walk through it alone. God doesn't always take away the hard season, but He does enter it with you. So if you are feeling alone in your healing right now, please remember that you are never alone. God is right there with you, even now, even here.